Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So let's get right into this high bun updo tutorial. I start off by dividing my hair into two sections, one at the front and one at the back. For this look, I will not be using gel, but I did grab my Shea Miracle Curl Styling Custard. This is just to give my hair some hold. I grab my pink brush and I distribute the product into my hair. So I do the same thing for the back section as I did for the front section, and then I just join the sections together using another hair bubble. I then grab the Marley hair extensions and a larger hair bubble, and I put the hair extensions through and I bubble that onto my hair as well. So now I'm going to separate the Marley hair extensions into three. I grab the first section and I wrap it around my hair. Then I grab the second section and I wrap it in the opposite direction onto the bun as well. Bun looks secure, it's looking cute already. I then grab quite a few bobby pins, and you will be needing these for the front section. So I start off by pinning the hair down onto my scalp, and then I tuck it to the side towards the bun. And then I play around with the rest and pin them into place. It takes a lot of pinning and a lot of tucking for this look, so take your time to make sure everything is pinned well into place. I think it looks amazing. It looks very natural, pretty, simple, put together, and I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!